When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your home, the role of your windows cannot be overstated. Windows are often a major source of heat loss and gain, meaning they can significantly impact your heating and cooling bills. Eco Windows Metairie offers an excellent solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy consumption, increase comfort, and lower utility costs. Their high-quality, energy-efficient window installations can make all the difference in transforming your home into a more eco-friendly and cost-effective space. Understanding energy efficiency and its importance. Energy efficiency refers to using less energy to perform the same task. In the context of your home, it means reducing the amount of energy required to heat and cool your space. Traditional windows, especially older models, can be a major culprit in inefficient energy usage. They allow heat to escape in the winter and let warm air in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work overtime. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, resulting in lower energy bills. At the same time, you are also making a positive impact on the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Eco Windows Metairie provides a comprehensive solution that combines modern technology with expert installation to optimize your home's energy performance. How Eco Windows Metairie can help. Energy-efficient window materials. Eco Windows Metairie specializes in high-performance windows that are designed with advanced materials to minimize energy loss. Their windows are typically equipped with insulated glass, which helps to keep indoor temperatures stable by reducing heat transfer. These windows are also coated with low emissivity glass, which helps to reflect heat back into your home during the winter and block out excessive heat in the summer. This can significantly reduce the need for air conditioning and heating, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Double and triple glazing for superior insulation. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by installing windows with multiple layers of glass. Double or triple glazing is a popular option because it creates an insulating barrier between the interior of your home and the outside environment. This barrier helps to maintain your desired temperature and prevents energy from escaping through the window. Eco Windows Metairie offers these energy-efficient window options, ensuring that your home benefits from maximum insulation. Custom fit for maximum performance. Another key feature of Eco Windows Metairie is their ability to provide custom-fitted windows for each home. Proper installation is crucial when it comes to energy efficiency. Even the best windows can underperform if they are not installed correctly. Eco Windows Metairie ensures that every window is measured and installed with precision, reducing gaps and ensuring that air doesn't leak in or out. This attention to detail helps to maximize the energy-saving potential of your windows. Reduce condensation and drafts. Old, inefficient windows often lead to drafts, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. Condensation can also form on the windows, creating an uncomfortable environment and promoting the growth of mold. Eco Windows Metairie's advanced window designs reduce both drafts and condensation, keeping your home dry, warm, and free from unwanted moisture. This not only improves comfort but also extends the lifespan of your windows and other home structures. Long-term savings and return on investment. While energy-efficient windows can require a higher initial investment compared to traditional windows, they offer significant long-term savings. With the reduced need for heating and cooling, you will notice a decrease in your monthly utility bills. The energy savings can add up over time, often recouping the cost of installation within a few years. Furthermore, energy-efficient windows can increase the value of your home, providing a great return on investment if you ever decide to sell. A greener, more comfortable home. Eco Windows Metarie's solutions not only improve energy efficiency but also contribute to a greener home. By reducing the amount of energy needed to maintain a comfortable temperature, these windows help lower your home's carbon footprint, making your house more environmentally friendly. This commitment to sustainability is not just beneficial for you as a homeowner but for the planet as well. In conclusion, Eco Windows Metairie provides a fantastic opportunity for homeowners to improve energy efficiency, reduce energy costs, and create a more comfortable living space. Whether you are looking to replace old windows or upgrade to a more sustainable option, Eco Windows Metairie has the expertise and products to meet your needs. Making the switch to energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful changes you can make for your home, your wallet, and the environment.